Okay, let's try some more letters, making some more sounds. Let's say our sounds together. Ready? We'll do a quick review. A, f, m, t, s, p, w, h, and l. And let's do our first word family sound. Let's take the first two, bring them down, and we have af, af. So let's make a few words with this af sound. So if we take our m sound, now we have m, af, math. Very good. Now if we take away our m and add our t. So now we have t, af, taff. Very good. Now let's take away our t sound and add our s. And we have s-af, saf. Very good. Let's take away our s and bring down our p. And now we have p-af. Very good. Let's take away our p and bring down our w. And we have w-af, waff. And let's try our, take away our w, w, and bring down our h. And we have h-af, half. Now let's take our h, move that out of the way, bring down our l. And we have l, af, laugh. Very good. Now if we change our word family, let's take our f and move it up here. And what do we want? Let's take our l and move it over here. Okay, now what do we have? We have, a, l, al. Very good, al. And if we take our m sound, and we have m, al, mal. And if we take our t sound, bring that down, now we have t, al, tal, tal. Very good. If we take this out of the way, bring down our s, and we have s-al, sal. Very good. If we take our s out of the way, bring down our p, and we have p-al, pal. Very good. Now let's take our p and bring down our w. Now we have w-al, well. Very good. And if we bring down our f sound, and we have f-al, fail. Very good. And we have one more. If we take our h and bring it up here, now we have h-al, hail. Very good. Okay, now let's practice 3 word families that we have for block 2. And we're going to make and read words with 3 of our word families. So let's read our word families first. We have it, im, ip. Very good. So these are 3 word families. And now these are the sounds we're going to combine with our word families and make some words. So let's practice these sounds. W, m, s, p, f, l, w, t. Very good. Okay, let's take our first word family, it. And let's combine these letters and make some words. You ready? Let's take our and we have it, hit. Very good. Now how about let's bring this back and take w. Now we have w. it, wit. Very good. And let's bring this back and take our m. And we have it, mit, mit. Very good. Now let's take our m and bring up our s. And we have it, sit. Very good. Now let's take our p. And we have it, pit. Very good. Now let's move our p and take our f. And what do we have? Can you read that word? Very good. Fit. Great job. Now let's bring back our f and take our l. And we have it, lit. Very good. Now let's move that and take our w. It, wit. Very good. We have one more. Let's take our next word family and bring it down. And we have im. So let's make some words with im. So first of all, we have him. Good job. Now let's try whim. Very good. And let's try our m. And we have mim, mim. And now let's try our s. And we have sim. Very good. And now let's try our p. And we have pim, pim. Great job, you guys. Keep going. Now let's try our f. And we have fim. Good job. And now let's try our l sound. And we have lim. Very good. We have two more. We have whim. And tim. And now if this is someone's name, what do you do with this letter? Very good. You make it a capital letter because it's a person's name. Tim. Great job. Good reading. So now let's take our next word family. We'll take our m and move it. Grab our ip. Bring that down. Now we have ip and we have the t first. So our line leader, t, ip, tip. Very good. Now let's take our t down and grab our h. And we have ip, hip, hip. Very good. Now we'll get our w sound. Bring that up. Whoop. And we have whip, whip. Very good. Now let's bring that down and take our m. And we have ip, mip. Good job. Now let's get our next sound, which is s. Bring that up, and we have sip, sip. Very good. Now let's get that down and grab our p. And we have ip, pip, pip. Very good. Now we'll get our f. And we have fip, fip. Good job. Bring that back. Bring our l up. And we have lip, lip, lip. Good job. Now we have two more sounds to try. How about this one? Can you read that? Whip. Very good. Good reading. And one more. We have our t. And we have tip, tip. Very good. Good reading with our 3 word families for Block 2. Okay, great reading all the word families. Now our next thing we're going to do is review some sight words for Block 2. And here are some of them. Now all the sight words on this page you can pretty much sound out. And so they're pretty easy to read because you can count the sounds and sound them out. Then we have more sight words that we're going to memorize as well for Block 2. So let's start with the ones we have on this page. Here's our first one. Can you read that? Try and sound that out and read that. Excellent job. Did you say it? It. Very good. And if you see some of these other words, they have it inside the word. So those should be pretty easy to read. Let's try. It, sit. So if you can read it, you can read sit. How about it, hit, hit, and it, fit. Very good. And now we have it with an S at the end. Let's try that. It's. These two kind of combine together. It's. And if you use that in a sentence, you could say, it's a great day today. And that's how you would use the word it's. Now here's another little word. Is. Now when we say it as a word, we make this sound a little bit differently. Instead of s, we say is. So it's a little bit different. But even if you sound it out, it's going to get you close to the word, which is. Very good. We're going to memorize that, is. We could say, our dog is black. Is. Now this little word is if. That's pretty easy to read, and you're going to see that in every book you read. It's going to have this word, probably, if. And now we did this one. Let's try this one. As, has. She has a cat. Has. And our next word, did. Did you read that? Did. Very good. Here's an easy at word. At. Hat. Very good. And now we have an im word family. Him. Very good. Okay, can you point to the word that pronounced like sit? Which word says sit? Very good, this word. How about did? Can you point to the word did? Did you point to this word? Good job, did. How about fit? Point to the word fit. Did you point to this one? Fit. Good for you. Very good. Let's read our words. We'll read down like in columns. You ready? It. It's. Is. If. Sit. Has. Did. Hat. Hit. Fit. And him. Very good. Good reading.